stop what are you doing right this moment and listen to this message. Tomorrow, 1111, that's a magical number. This is the number which the universe says, I am supporting you. Whatever you decide, I am here for you. It's a spiritual message. So, I mean, you be careful what you ask, because you will manifest it. If it's a good, it will be good. If it's bad, it will be bad. So, by the way, I'm Thalia, and I'm sharing wisdom. I listened today to a Master Sri, which he's amazing. And here and there, when I have a moment, or I get intuition to listen, because it's a message for me. So I listen, and he says the same thing. 1111. It is, and I make a video in the past about those numbers. They are very powerful. So you're going to increase your vibration starting as soon as possible. So it will be tomorrow, the day after. So it's 11, 12, and 13. Those 3 days are very powerful. Do not think any negativities, any fears is come. You're facing them, and you just send them away. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube, wherever you find my name. And I love you big, and I wish you a huge, huge successes.